Well, hello everybody, it's CAPANO here. I just want to be the first to say Happy Mother's Day to all my moms on my channel. So Happy Mother's Day to you and your moms. I want to get to the question. I told everybody, hopefully you just watched my video yesterday. I'm getting some people saying they answered no on the one question. There was a question, did you complete your work search? And the answer to that is yes. It was the one question. I know my wife had the question. I'm hearing some did not have the question. I'm only guessing if you still had money left in the first act, stay with me. The question wasn't asked. And if you already had credits for the next American Rescue Plan, credits through September 4th, there was a question. Again, did you complete your work search? And the answer is yes. Now, some of you, I'm getting from my Facebook and YouTube channel that they hit no accidentally or didn't understand the question, but it's yes. If you hit no, it'll pop up an error or it'll pop up 21 days in advance. I would call. It's a lot easier to get through on Monday. Take a deep breath. Call tomorrow early and just explain to the assistants to please that you made a mistake. I wouldn't say you didn't understand the question, just say you made a mistake. Can they fix it very nicely for you? But going forward, and ask them if they can fix that for you for the next pay period so you can still get paid. And going forward, the answer is yes. I told everyone this question will be on there. There might be two questions. I'm hearing just one question. So, and just again, I'm going to tell everybody you can do what you want. Just keep a journal because you don't know. Maybe in 3 weeks, maybe no. But maybe it'll be take a screenshot of your documents and it might say upload your job searches. Again, if you're on the PUA side, a gig worker, it's emailing your clients that you plan on coming back. It's doing a resume if you want, or just simply writing it down on paper, or Indeed. Indeed's a job search out there and just applying for jobs in your field if you're self-employed. Just in case, because you just don't know what's happening with DETR. Every couple weeks there's something new. But I said this before. If you watch my video, I was explaining to you, and I even took a screenshot of you. So, but let's not panic on this. Just call them up and tell them it was a simply mistake. The answer is yes. On the UI side, I did some research. On the UI side, there was 3 jobs that you had to list. You had to put the date, the website address, the phone number. You had to write that down. I understand there was 3 job searches. If they respond one of these jobs and says yes, you have to work, I wouldn't panic. It says in there in the writing that you're allowed. They're not going to penalize you or disqualify you. They're just trying to get us ready in this state of Nevada to get back to work. Some other states are trying to, if you watched my video yesterday, are trying to implement and cut the unemployment off in June. It hasn't happened in those states of Montana, in South Carolina, and Maryland and Florida, but they're trying to get a bill signed from the Congress to eliminate it because, again, they're just trying to get people back to work and there's not enough, job ratio is starting to increase. So, but if you live in Nevada, just a little bit of talk. I don't see it happening, or at least in the near future, and I'm going to do everything I could to voice my opinion. I do have a meeting in the middle of next week, and just voicing my opinion that I think Nevada's wrapped around conventions, very, very important, and show business, and all that stuff that it's going to take a while. Even if things are opening up 80% or 100% in June, as the governor says, it's still going to take 3 months to get back. So if you do live in those states of Montana, in South Carolina, Florida, I think now Maryland, and use your voice and contact your Senate leaders and let them know if you're self-employed that yes, unemployment might be a little lower than a lot of the states, and just let them know how you feel. Do a petition, do all that stuff. You have to do that stuff. So so this way you can continue getting your benefits, right, until the September 6th cutoff. That's why the administration, Joe Biden, implemented it, because they feel that it's going to take that time. So it's like they want to give and give back. So again, leave your comments below. Again, just call the PUA hotline on Monday morning and explain it was accidentally a mistake. But again, I understand it's just going to be one question going forward. But again, I am here and they can randomly in the future select you and have some screenshots you might have to upload and document. Don't do anything unless they do, right? You don't see any emails in your portal going forward. As far as the 21 of 90 days and uploading all that stuff, just make sure, I said this before, you heard it from me first, business license, if it expired, I would put it on. If you don't have a business license, then just some proof of where you rent space at. So if you're a hairdresser or a nail or anything like that, just some documents, it would not hurt. That's not going to mess anything up. Also, I'm having a lot of questions about the 2020 taxes. For me, I have my 2019. Unless they would email you and saying you have 48 hours and say we want our 2020 tax. If they did that, then you would simply, hopefully you've done your taxes May 17th. Is the deadline, and then you just upload your taxes. And the question I'm getting, well, what if I'm married and stuff? Well, just give your 1099. So if you drove Lyft or whatever income you had, just upload it. Maybe you had no income, then just upload your unemployment 2020, your income 20,000, whatever it is. Or you can just put the total of you and your spouse on there. They just want as much things possible. But again, just stuff that you didn't have on there. Let's keep everything a smooth ride as possible, okay, going forward, so we can continue collecting until the deadline. With that said, if you enjoy my video, hit the like button and put it on social media so people can see. If you're coming across this video, consider on hitting the bell, and it'll notify you when I'm coming on. I'm not going anywhere. I'll update you on the possible stimulus check number 4, 10,200. That's going to be coming probably towards the end of May. I explained it on how that goes. If you look at my playlist on just that 10,200, how it's breaking down, who's going to be getting it first. But anybody who got money back will continue to get money back soon. I'm also talking about other money tips, and good motivation courses are coming up in the near future. With that said, happy Mother's Day once again, happy PUA Day, and I'll see you on my next video. Everybody take care now.